Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove the break line on a Google Sheets on iPhone. So basically, if you have the trouble to remove the break line, here is the video for you. Open the project that containing the text that have a break line on it. So I already prepared these two cells here. So if you want to remove the break line, it's quite simple. So you just need to place the new format into the specific cells. So let's say here, and the next thing we need to do is just use this formula. Go click this pencils button, click this equals symbols, and then you just need to type clean. We need to use this formula, and the next thing you need to do is just go click the cells that you want to remove the break lines from, and then you just need to go click this checklist button, so that now this text already removed, the break line is already removed from it. So it's just the same, you just need to do click the equal and type clean, and click the cells that you want to remove the break line from, and then click this checklist button. So you already got this line together. So that is the way how to remove the break line on the Google Sheets by iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.